2022. Spend your effort on title, description, and thumbnail. Where do you YouTube tags appear? On the video or space for the trained eye of. If you click view source code in your browser, you can see the HTML code. In the HTML code are your YouTube tags. Since tags do not matter in 2002, don't bother. You can where to put YouTube tags in the dedicated tags box on the video page in YouTube Studio. But I want to suggest not to use tag anymore in 2022. Focus on title, description, and thumbnail. Read the rest of the article and find where to find YouTube tags. YouTube tags are basically keywords. You can find them by using YouTube on Google auto-completed tools like TubeBuddy or Keywords Everywhere can also show video tags, but don't searching for tags for response. I mentioned in the article, why aren't my YouTube tags working anymore? YouTube doesn't use tag anymore in 2022. Tags are often abused by creator. So YouTube switch to AI determine the content of video together with your title, description, and thumbnail. Read this article to find out more. Did YouTube get rid of text? YouTube did get rid of text for YouTube search because AI replaced tag since children are only used for short. But my guess is tag is going to replace real soon. Next week, next month, or next year. Focus time to energy on title, thumbnail, and video description. Do tags on YouTube get more views? YouTube replaced tags in 2015 for AI and therefore have no effort on non-views. They do meter of minus work. Focus time and energy on title, thumbnail, and video description. Tags are not important anymore, but they can help a little bit. They can note the algorithm little bit in the right direction of needed title, description, and thumbnail. Is that particular order of relevance are the more important for relevance and search. If you start a new channel and YouTube has absolutely no idea what the channel is about, you should use tag. Every little bit can help to get you going. One key lesson I learned from the tested is to not rather at all using keywords unless I want to correct concern. The video from YouTube. The video from YouTube employees I referred it in this article are from way back in 2018. Even they didn't matter anymore. One of the elements of artificial intelligence is learning. I think that YouTube algorithm learned about this year and tags are becoming less and less relevant times to goes by. If you don't ask me, look in still well. I don't say that tag are removed entirely from YouTube couple of years. If you still doubts about the usefulness of tag, I suggest you put it to the test yourself on free YouTube tips and tricks. Okay, so first, okay, what are YouTube tags? You can add text to a YouTube video. A tag is piece of text that help the YouTube algorithm understand what your video is about. You can add multiple tags to your video as long as the total character limit of all tags does not extend to the limit of 500 characters. Adding text to your